10 years later, I can see the impact that the school has had on my life. In many ways, more than I'd say the education I received, but much more the values and community. A teacher called Ms. Hayat, and she taught me a lot of things, helped me get inspired to be a reader. I created a website to help share notes that I was creating and writing myself for my friends in school. A decade later, ZNotes has continued to grow, and it became my full-time startup. I have a global team that I look after, and we work together to make education more accessible all around the world. There were certain lessons that I had started to learn while I was at school that really played a big impact in who I am today. You need to realize that you're on a journey right now in school in a beautiful, welcoming, safe space to test and try.
Because this would have been, no doubt, a real motivator for them to say, do well in your exams, you can achieve going forward in the future.
It's always good to be back in my community.